So we're going to walk down to the water here. Had a pretty good night's sleep. Come on, puppies. I don't want to get too close in case there's some gators. And there's the water right there. That's where we're parked. think, Rudy?
I think I got an itch.
And on I-10, and they've been cutting across this little path here. Here goes somebody.
It's an awful low vehicle. Ah, there he goes. Go, buddy. Go, go, go. He made it.
He made it.
This one will make it.
This one will make it. I thought that truck in front of us there would try.
Yeah, here he goes.
Here he goes. Why is he sitting there like that? Oh, he made it.
You don't like to beat his vehicle like these other ones did.
That was incredible. See that? People will do anything to get out of a traffic jam. People are ridiculous. We've been in this traffic jam now for 26 minutes. Just trying to let that guy over. I like the different color lights.
Hey, hey, all for us. Hey, hey, all for us. Team Terry is here. Ta-da.
Nice bumpy road.
Are you videoing?
Yes. I just saw it.
Hey, hey, the team is here. Hey, hey, the team is here. Team Terry, that is. Team Terry, that is. Woo!
I wonder if the office is still open or we just... Looks like it's over there on the right. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Check in to the right. Hi, we're here in Texas.
A bowl in the trash. Picture of the deer standing in the campground. A little bit of frost on the ground here this morning. Had a little nipply last night. There's the campers down by the Colorado River. Down there. Nice little campground. We haven't been out around yet. That's what we got.
Colorado River. We should be camping on this out in Ehrenberg, hopefully. We're heading down there. More sights down here. Off. Hurricane Harvey floodline in 2017. Over there's the river. That's where it flooded to. All the way up there. Bathrooms are beautiful.
Hi, how are you?